So now let's suppose that we want to insert an image here in this page. And as you can see, here is a page for books that we want to read later. And you can see that I have defined some categories for this page using different headers, which we have talked in the previous videos in this playlist. But now suppose that this is one book, How to Take Smart Notes by Sunky Arendt, and we want to add an image for this book, actually the image of this book. So this is the image of the book, but actually this is the image of the first edition, and this is the image of the second edition. But suppose that I want to copy this one, so I right click and open this image in new tab, and I want to copy this image. And now let's go to Obsidian. So now I want to paste the image, but before that, pay attention to this pane. As you can see, we don't have any files here, but if I press Ctrl V on my keyboard, you can see we have pasted an image, and this is the file which you can see here. But as you can see, there are some problems. So first of all, the image is so big, so we can make it smaller. So the first way is resizing the image, for example, in Photoshop, in Paint, in PowerPoint, or these kinds of softwares, and then pasting that small image into Obsidian. So this is the first way. But the second way is actually adding a pipeline, a vertical line. So by saying pipeline, I mean this one. And in order to add this one, you should press Shift and also this in order to add a pipeline. So you should add a pipeline, and then you should add a number after that pipeline. For example, 300. And you can see we have resized that image to 300. And if I click somewhere else, you can see this is our image. But if I, for example, using the arrow keys, if I move down, you can see this is the pasted image, which I can modify, for example, the size and different kinds of stuff. But now there are a couple of problems. Number one, how can we place this image, for example, in the center, right, left, and different positions? How can we position this image in different positions? So this is number one. So this is problem number one. And number two, the problem number two is this, that, for example, if I paste another image, exactly pasting this image, you can see we have added another one. And once again, if I press enter and paste another one, you can see as we paste different things, you can see we are having a big list of files here, which we don't want that. We want to, for example, suppose that we want to put all of these things, all of these files in a specific folder by default. Whenever we paste some things, these are called attachments. We want to put all the attachments, all of the pasted images, all the pasted files, and all the other files in a folder. So once again, that's very easy. You can click on this new folder, and let's name it, for example, assets, assets. There we go. And once again, let's open it. And I want to right click on assets. And once again, I want to create another folder inside that assets folder. So that's it. You can see here we have a folder, and I want to call it attachments. That's it. And now I want to make this attachments folder the default location for the attachment files that we are going to have in future. For example, if I paste another image, then it should go to this folder. So in order to do so, you should right click on this and set this folder as attachment folder. So now if I go here and, for example, paste another image and also paste another image and paste another image and so on, you can see that all the images have been placed here. But actually, I have made all of these files because of this tutorial, so I don't want all of them. So let's delete all of them except the first one. That's it. And now I want to delete all of these files except the first one, which is this one that we needed here. But we don't want these files, so I click on this and I press Shift and click on this in order to select all of these. And I right click and press delete. And I want to delete these files. And also I want to delete these files as well. So I click on it and press Shift and click on this. And I want to delete all of these files. That's it. And let's drag this and drop it in the attachment folder. So as you can see, this image is located in the attachments folder. That's it. So let's collapse this folder as well. But how about placing this image in center, right, left, or different positions? So that is basically the topic of the next video of this playlist. And you can watch it by clicking on the video, which is located on the left side of the screen.